Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, let's learn the colors. In this video we are drawing different shapes. This is yellow color, orange color, dark blue color, dark green color, and this is light green color. Let's draw these shapes. Triangle, hexagon, oval shape, pentagon, arrow, square. Let's color these shapes. Yellow color, yellow color triangle, orange color, hexagon, dark blue color, dark blue color oval shape, dark green color pentagon. This is light green color. You can do the difference. Light green color arrow, yellow color, yellow color square. Let's revise these shapes. Triangle, hexagon, oval shape, pentagon, arrow, square. Dear kids, do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.